Hi, this is Dan Altman from MarineMax and Stewart. I want to take you through a brand new 2020 60 Azimut Flybridge we just got in. Starting in the cockpit here, we have a new synthetic stone tabletops, so there's no maintenance to it. You have a full wraparound seat, and what's nice is you have these fiberglass knees, so it keeps you nice and tucked in. There is a shade that comes down out of the ceiling. Everything above my head on this entire boat is carbon fiber. At the factory they have an oven where they post-cure all the carbon fiber, so it's solid carbon fiber. We have a passerelle gangway, so easy boarding. It's about halfway out right now. Off the back of the boat we have a hydraulic lift, holds a nice sized tender or jet ski. There is cruise quarters. This one actually has cruise quarters for two. We have an option for cruise quarters for one, and it's got extra storage. Full bath shower in there so the crew can come in and out. You can use it as a bathhouse for the kids or while you're swimming on and off. We'll go back up into the boat. As you can see, dual entries into the boat. We have another refrigerator, or a refrigerator I should say, with a stone top. The stone tops are really nice, full teak package, just what you expect for Italian elegance. It's a flush deck, so coming into the boat you don't have a big step over. And you can see that we also have full drainage to keep classification throughout the boat. As you come into the boat, we have opposing seats. Look how big the windows are throughout the whole boat. Achilles Savan designed the boat. He did all the interior design. He's good on, he really likes the curves, soft touches, easy maintenance, and longevity in the materials. And you can see a balance of different textures, different fabrics, leathers. This is a really unique dinette lounging area. It does unfold the table twist to make a proper dining table. It's high-low for a coffee table. Look how full the window is. We have lacquers, we have flatwood finishes. This is the galley. Full-size refrigerator, which is nice, and freezer compartment with storage above. Full Miele appliances, tons of storage, wine chiller. This even opens for storage as well. All the china, flatware, glassware is included. Great 360 visibility throughout the entire boat. It's a joystick driven boat, so we have Volvos in this boat with a Volvo joystick. This is a straight shaft with thrusters. We have automatic trim tabs. We have gyro stabilizer, a Seakeeper to keep you stable. Twin screens, all touchscreen. And the boat is linked in to the touchscreens. So you can control air conditioning, lights, pumps throughout the whole boat. We'll go downstairs and check it out. So as you come down, this is a 3 stateroom boat, 3 bath. To our starboard side coming down, we have twins. There's great storage underneath the beds. There's storage in the gunnels, in the cabinetry, and a nice big closet. This is the VIP Ford. It's in the bow of the boat. And we have in here, we have 2 closets and the gunnels, which is cabinetry, more storage. Underneath the bed is storage. It's between a full and a queen. And we have an ensuite. So full bath, full shower, and stone tops, which is really nice. We'll head down towards the master. This is a day head. It's got a shower, it's got a head, it's got a real shower door, it's easy to keep clean. Every doorway in the Azimut has a rubber gasket on it, full all around. No creaking, no rattling, and also eliminates noise throughout the boat. So when you're running the boat or living on the boat, you have some nice privacy. Going into the master, a couple of steps down, there's a washer and dryer right here. It's a splendid washer and dryer, so it's a combo. And then into the master's full beam, huge windows. We have ports that open on each side. We have Achilles Savant design again with the lacquers, the different leathers, and the wood finishes. He makes it all match in. Achilles Savant designed lamps. This is kind of unique. You open this, you twist it around, and this is nice where you can sit and have a vanity. And then there is a TV that pops up in the dresser space. So we have dresser and TV. Roman shades. He also framed out the windows with wood, curved radiuses throughout the entire boat. Not just a panel to a panel, it's actually curved in. They have a masthead, again, that gasket around every single doorway, keep things quiet. There's a shower, full-size shower, head, vanity, stone-top sink, and that creates an air pocket between us and the engine room. So that's nice because it keeps the boat quiet. So if you're running the boat, enjoying it, it's a quiet ride, even with enjoying the master stateroom. So he's showing you the shower there. I'm going to open up some closet space as you come out so you can see. There's 3 closet spaces there that open. There's a safe. Every Azimut of this size has a safe. We have hanging lockers and just more drawer space all throughout. So tons and tons of storage. And let's head up to the bridge. So as you close these doors, they fit nice and flush. This is also curved radius, backlit, stainless steel, polished, just nice accents. Even the handrail, Italian leather, and they put the stitching on the back so you can feel the quality. The boat is equipped with all the china flatware throughout, place settings. So that's all included. Wood floors. We have a nice chrome strip. It's got the Azimut logo on it. For a traffic area, over time, that's not going to wear. Whereas people wearing shoes, it could wear on the wood. Again, flush coming out. We'll go up to the bridge. Teak steps coming up, nice and easy. Nice handrail, safety. And as we come up, I'll start with the aft part. So this carbon fiber bridge structure is 30% bigger than the old bridges that were not carbon fiber, just fiberglass. So it's lighter weight and larger. We have a huge balcony back here, we call it. Some customers add a sunshade that's available. Nice opposing seats. So if you imagine you're sitting at the dock, sitting in the Bahamas, you have a beautiful view. Again, synthetic stone tabletop, really low maintenance. I'll switch around with you. High rails, and the safety between is actual rails. It's not just a wire that's pulled across. So attention to detail, very high quality. The dining area here, again, synthetic stone top. We have the teak surround, even the bases. So the bases, all this furniture was designed by Achilles Savant. Soft edges, nice radiuses, just artistic impressions throughout. The different color schemes here. This is a barbecue, wet bar, refrigerator, so isotherm fridge, and then we have an ice maker over here. So all that's equipped with a boat. So ready to barbecue and ready to have a good time. This is a great area up here. So you got the captain, you've got a first mate, easy driving, social area for the family, glass bridge design so everything's flush. It's all digital switching throughout the boat, and the joystick is off the port side. So I'll step in here. This is a tilt steering wheel, and I can stand here and look over the side and see for easy docking. So it truly is a owner-run boat. It's easy to run. On the bow, we'll come on up here and just take a look. So we have a beautiful U-shaped sofa, another table with a stone inset. and then a very unique sun pad. Now that sun pad flips over to make a picnic style, so the opposing seats. That's quite unique. We'll walk up there in a minute and I'll show you that. Coming up, the rails go up again. This is an opening window. This is right at the driver's seat at the helm. Again, all this structure is carbon fiber. They paint it to make it look pretty. There's storage on both sides, so these open for storage. This backrest flips up and down. There's a cover, nice U-shaped seat. And then this is unique because now we have opposing seats. There's stereo control up here, it's all Bluetooth. And the bow is trapezoidal shaped. So when the crew comes to anchor to tie the lines up, they're not as cumbered with worrying about board. You got plenty of space to work. This particular boat has another option, has a sunshade, so the 4 posts in each corner, front and back, creates the post for the sunshade. There's a chain wash, there's up and down switches, and there's a cap stand for the anchor. That can also be run at the helm. And then of course we have access down into the anchor locker. This is all drained properly. It's guttered underneath the seats, so you don't have a lot of moisture that collects. Rains. Cup holders are built in, stainless steel, and you can see your sound system as well. It's all flat deck, so you don't have to worry about tripping over different levels. So just took you through the 60 Azimut, this 2020 model 60 Flybridge. It's here in Stuart at MarineMax. My name is Dan Altman. I'd be happy to take you through it. My cell number is 561-762-5777. Again, Dan at MarineMax in Stuart, 561-762-5777. Be glad to take you through the boat. Thank you.